Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change contacts, my info card on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on contacts. Next, we go down and tap on My Info. Then from the contacts list, go down the list here and select a contact that you would like to use as your info card. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you open up your contacts app or your phone application and then tap on the contacts tab in the middle, you can see at the top here your info card has been changed. So my card is the card that shows your contact information at the top of your contacts screen. So if you tap that, it will give you information about your contacts details. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.